Don't give up the fight. Gotta work it all out. Don't give up the fight. Gotta work it all out. Tomorrow might be the same thing. It will be different the day after tomorrow. Tomorrow might be the same thing. It will be different the day after tomorrow. Yeah. Even if your thoughts are suicide, or you think taking away your life is the only way out, I tell you, there's God from above. He's the only one who can take you out of this mud. I've been there, I've seen it, I've done it. When they thought I've ended it, I restarted. It's like I left and came back in a minute. The Holy Spirit moves everywhere without a budget. I moved from zero. God is my hero. YOLO, I've never been a boy who is solo. I live my today like I'm living for tomorrow. I look up to heaven to move out of the ghetto. And pray again. I know that God can make your life turn. He is always by my side, he's my promoter. He is the reason I'm going fast. Don't give up the fight. Gotta work it all out. Don't give up the fight. Gotta work it all out. Tomorrow might be the same thing. It will be different the day after tomorrow. Tomorrow might be the same thing. It will be different the day after tomorrow. Don't give up the fight. Gotta work it all out. Don't give up the fight. Gotta work it all out. Tomorrow might be the same thing. It will be different the day after tomorrow. Tomorrow might be the same thing. It will be different the day after tomorrow.